Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the flashlight on your Samsung phone. Now, I have a Samsung Galaxy. The easiest way to turn off the flashlight is to swipe down from the top right, and you should be able to see the flashlight icon at the top right. I can just tap on it and tap on it to turn it off. I can also press and hold on it, and I can choose to turn this on and increase the brightness or decrease the brightness of that flashlight, which is a pretty cool feature. However, if you don't see that in there, we can always add that quick option to get to that flashlight. So let's, from here, swipe down again, and you're gonna look in here again to see if there's that flashlight. If you don't see that flashlight, just tap on the edit button at the top right here, that little pencil icon, and then just tap on edit here midway down. You'll be able to see here is flashlight, but let's say if it is not in there, all you need to do is swipe over until you find the flashlight on here. Just tap on it. And then of course you can use your finger and just drag it to the top if it's something you regularly use so that you can easily access that flashlight. Then just hit done, and again, toggle it on or off. Now, another cool feature is you can access that flashlight from the lock screen. So I'm going to lock my Android phone, and if I tap on it, you can see call and camera. However, let's change one of these. I'm going to change the call button. So I'm going to press and hold on the screen here, and then enter in the passcode to unlock my phone. And now, instead of the call button, I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to tap on flashlight instead, which is kind of the default for iPhones to have the flashlight and the camera. So now let's hit the done button, and I'll show you how it works. If you're in the lock screen of your phone, you can just swipe, tap and swipe to turn it off. Again, tap and swipe, and that will turn the flashlight on, or tap and swipe, and it will turn it back off. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.